Another quick close look at the Bissell CrossWave. Good sleek design, kind of looks like Buzz Lightyear. This is where your clean water, and if you want to put some solution in there, you can do that. And then it sucks up the dirty water. There's no bags, there's no fancy things required. There's a filter which you can wash out. It just shows you exactly how to do that. Just you put water and you put it in the sun, and it's good to go. Once it goes to the fill line, I'd recommend dumping that out. But that is some nasty water. That's all found all over my kid's floor, and it's not there anymore.